In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can place a basic order quickly and confidently. First, open up the chart you want to trade. Make sure it's the instrument you intend to work with, so the order goes exactly where you expect. With your chart in view, look toward the top of the window for the Chart Trader icon. It lives in the chart's toolbar and toggles the trading controls on and off. Go ahead and click that icon. Once you click it, the Chart Trader pane will appear alongside your chart. This panel is your trading command center for that specific chart. You'll notice it's laid out to keep your attention on the essentials while staying anchored to price action. The pane typically includes key information such as your account selection, the quantity or size field, and most importantly, the buy and sell controls. Don't worry if you're new to this layout. The design is meant to be intuitive, and you can keep your focus on the buy and sell buttons for a simple order. Inside the Chart Trader pane, you'll see clearly labeled buttons to buy or to sell. Think of buy as entering or adding to a long position, and sell as entering or adding to a short position, or potentially closing a long if you're already in one. NinjaTrader uses your current defaults for things like order type and quantity, so before you click, take a quick glance at what's displayed. A brief pause to confirm the chart symbol and the quantity shown helps prevent accidental orders. When you're ready, select either buy or sell. The platform will place the order using the visible settings, and you'll see immediate visual feedback right on the chart. Depending on your setup, you may notice an order line, a filled marker, or an update in the Chart Trader pane confirming the action. This tight integration between the chart and the trading controls is what makes Chart Trader so efficient. You click once, and your chart reflects the change in real time. That's all it takes. Open the chart, click the Chart Trader icon to reveal the pane, locate the buy and sell buttons, and choose the one that matches your trading intent. Keep your attention on the instrument label and quantity, and let the chart guide your decisions visually. With a few uses, this will feel second nature, and you'll appreciate how straightforward NinjaTrader makes basic order placement within a single, focused workspace.